Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Cameron Moncaster, Assistant Bar Manager here at the Conduit, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our new monthly special cocktails for September. So anyone who knows the Conduit knows that we focus a lot on sustainability and reusing where we can to try and get the most out of any ingredient that we use. So today I'm going to be showing you the Orange Tree Spritz. So essentially it is a oleo saccharum from leftover citrus peels, grapefruit and orange in this case, extracting those oils into a sugar so you get this really nice acidic yet sweet mixture, and then we press it with fresh juices to give this beautiful acidity and sweetness. So in our cocktail we're going to start with 50 milliliters of our spent orange sherbet. Yeah. Touch of ice, beautiful carved block ice, and finally we'll be using a little bit of big drop non-alcoholic lager, so roughly 120 mils. This gives it a nice hoppiness, slight maltiness, and works really well with that acidity from the orange. Little stir in. Now something quite fresh and vibrant for the garnish, nice little bushel of lovely mint. And finally, just to lift up that citrus note, a little touch of Bergamot spray as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Orange Tree Spritz. Enjoy.